Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be doing the unboxing and review of the Foxin Foxpods C5 and the Foxpods F9. With that said, these are the earbuds. In India, Foxin Foxpods C5 are priced at 1099 rupees. They are available in two colors, black and white, and we have the white color with us right now. As for the Foxpods F9, they are priced at 2299 rupees. They're also available in black and white colors. We have the black color with us right now. So without any further delays, let's start off with the unboxing of the Foxpods C5. Now the main highlights for this Foxpods C5 would be its super cheap price. They're also TWS headset. They have pretty good backup and have all the basic features that you can expect from a truly wireless headset. So now let's get on with the unboxing. So this is how the box looks on the front. We have a quick preview of how the earbuds looks like along with its case. On the top, it says Foxin Foxpods C5, TWS headset, bass boost, lightweight and secure fit. It also has auto pairing and can last up to 15 hours of total working time. On the backside, we have some more specifications and more information. Now let's unbox it. First, we have the pairing instructions. Once we open that, we are greeted with the earphone case. Underneath that, we have some extra ear tips. Following that, we have the charging cable. And finally, there's some documentation. Now back to the earphones case, this is how it looks. Now let's have a physical overview. On the top, it has a transparent lid so you can see through it. And on the front side, we have the Foxin branding along with some LED indications. On the back side, it has a micro USB charging port. And finally at the bottom, we have some more specifications. Now once we open it up, we can see the earphones along with a button at the center with left and right engravings at the center. Now this is how the earbud looks like. It actually has a physical button on its face with FX branding. On the backside, we have the gold-plated charging pins along with left and right engraving. Now here's the case without any earbuds. It just has two placeholders for the earbuds along with the charging pins. They also have magnets, so you can just drop the earbud and they auto-align. That's something pretty standard with all the earbuds, but that magnetic mechanism is definitely appreciated. Now these are the complete specifications of these earbuds. These Bluetooth earbuds support Bluetooth 5.0, has a working distance of up to 10 meters. Each earbud has an 80 mAh battery and the charging case itself has a 300 mAh battery. Each earbud weighs about 4 grams and the charging box weighs about 28 grams. As for the playback time, we can get up to 3 hours of playtime at 50% volume. These earbuds also have 10mm powerful driver, and these are some more specs related to the earbuds. Now as for the pairing process, it's pretty simple. Just remove both the earbuds from the case. They'll just blink in red and blue. First, both earbuds will pair to themselves, and then you can pair with the earbuds. And here's a quick preview of that. By the way, for some reason, if any of the earbuds don't turn on, you just need to press and hold the button on the earbud to turn it on. Now as for the controls, each of the earbud has just a single physical button, and you can use that button for managing calls, music, and even for voice assistant. You can just press the button once to play or pause. You can long press the button on the left side and right side to play the previous or next song. You can also do a triple press on either sides for voice assistant. And finally, you can also do a long press to turn off the earphones. Now as for the review of the Foxpods C5, I must say the design of this particular product is pretty good. Considering the price, it's very well made. It's light in weight, it fits pretty comfortable even in your pocket, whether it's a jeans or a regular trouser. Now these earbuds might slightly look bigger than other products in the market, but they aren't really that big, and once you start using them, you really won't find the difference. In here, it fit pretty nicely and they stay inside without any problems, and even when you shake your head, they usually don't fall off. As for the audio quality, I must say it's amazing. Sound details and the bass is pretty great. You can actually hear them even at 30% volume, and it sounds even better at above 50% volume. At full volume, it's super loud and there's minimal to no distortion. Now as for the call quality, once again it's pretty good. Voice is audible on both sides and there is very minimal ambient noise. So overall, for a price of about 1100 rupees, it's definitely a pretty good product, especially considering the audio experience. Now here's the Foxin Foxpods F9. Now as for the main highlights for this particular product, once again it's a TWS headset. This particular one has IWP, that's instant wake up and pair. That's basically auto pair. Unlike the previous C5, this one actually has a USB Type-C charging port and a touch interface. Now back to the box. On the front, we have a preview of the earbuds along with some highlighting features. On the back side, we have all the specifications and some more information. Now once we open it up, here's the charging case. There are no earphones inside the case, they are placed separately inside the box. Next we have the USB Type-C charging cable and some documentation. Now back to the charging case, let me just put these earbuds. Now let's have a physical overview. On the top, it has a Foxin branding. On the front, there's a small groove to open the lid. On the back side, it has a USB Type-C charging port. At the bottom, we have some specifications. Now once we open the case, we get to see both the earphones along with a button and an LED indicator at the center with left and right engravings on either sides. These earphones actually have an LED indicator at the top to indicate that they are charging. Now this is a closer look up at the earphone itself. On the back side, it has a touch interface. At the bottom, it's got the microphone, and on the other side, we have the charging pins. Now this is the case without the earphones itself. We just got some placeholders for the earphones along with charging pins. Now these placeholders actually have magnets, so you just need to place the earphones on the place and they auto align, which is a pretty good thing. And unlike the previous C5, this particular earphone case actually has magnetic mechanism, so they close pretty well. These are the complete specifications of the Foxpods F9. These pair of earphones actually come with OLP technology, that's open lid and pairing technology, so they can auto pair very quickly. They also have a multifunctional touch control interface. Both earphones also have 10mm powerful speaker driver for immersive sound experience. They have a USB Type-C fast charging support. They support Bluetooth version 5.0. Each earphone has a 70mAh battery and the charging box itself comes with a 500mAh battery. As for the playback time, you can get up to 3 to 5 hours of playback time on the earphones depending upon the volume, and along with the charging case, you can get up to 20 hours of playback time. Both earphones weigh about 12 grams and the charging case weighs about 45 grams. Overall, both earphones and the charging case itself are pretty light in weight and pretty easy to handle. Now as for the pairing process, you just need to open the case, long press the button until you see the white LED blinking, and then the earbuds are in the pairing mode. You just need to search for the Foxpods F9 on your Bluetooth devices and just do a tap to pair. Now as for the controls, you can do a double tap gesture on left side or right side for play or pause, triple tap for voice assistant, and finally you can long press on the left side or right side to play the previous or the next track. Now when it comes to the review, I must say that the product is really well built. It has a pretty compact size, weighs pretty light in hand, and all the basic mechanical stuff like opening the lid and removing the earbuds go on without any problems. And the addition of that magnetic mechanism is definitely a good thing. It's pretty easy to pair these earphones, and once you're done pairing, auto pairing also works really well. You just need to open the lid and remove the earphones, and by the time you put it in your ears, they're already paired to your phone. Now when it comes to the audio quality, once again audio clarity is pretty great. The details are pretty good. You can't even hear any noise while the audio is playing. At full volume, it's definitely pretty loud, but there's minimal to no distortion. That's definitely a good thing. As for the audio quality, call quality is pretty good, voice is audible on both sides, and there is very minimal to no ambient noise. By the way, they fit pretty comfortably in the ear and they won't fall off even when you shake the head. So overall, it's definitely a pretty good product for the price, especially considering the fact that it actually has touch controls. So guys, what do you think about these two products? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these products, link for that is in the description. Do check it out. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.